In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes in Squarespace. To begin, open your Squarespace dashboard and use the search area to find the Taxes panel. This is the section where you can control how tax is calculated for your store, and it is the best place to start if you want Squarespace to handle tax settings more efficiently. Once you are in the Taxes panel, choose the Automated option. This setting allows Squarespace to calculate taxes for you based on the information you provide. It can save time and help reduce manual setup errors, especially if you sell in more than one region. Next, click on Business Operation. Here you will select the regions where your business is legally registered to collect tax. It is important to choose these carefully since this tells Squarespace where tax should be applied according to your registration status. Only select the areas where you are officially required to collect tax. After that, enter your business or individual registration details, then click Confirm. Make sure the information matches your official tax registration records. Accurate details are important because they help ensure the automated tax setup works correctly. Now move down to the Tax Defaults section. Click Tax Address, then click Add. Enter your business location and save it. This address is used as part of your tax configuration, so use your correct business location here. Double-check the address before saving to avoid issues later. Once that is done, go to Product Tax Code and click Add. Select your default inventory category, then click Save. This step helps Squarespace understand how your products should be taxed. Different product types can sometimes have different tax rules, so choosing the most appropriate category is important for accurate tax handling. As you go through these settings, take a moment to review each section before moving on. Small mistakes in tax setup can affect checkout totals, so it is worth being careful during the initial configuration. If your business sells a variety of products, using the right default category from the start can make managing taxes much easier. After you have saved these settings, your automated tax setup will be in place based on the regions, registration details, tax address, and product tax code you entered. That covers everything you need to know.